G'day folks, Tag here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions in Brisbane, and I can't wait to show you one of Australia's favourite muscle cars, the 1977 Holden LX SLR5000 Torana. Frank, why don't you tell us a bit more about this one?
Yeah, thanks Tagos. Here we go, folks. We're in the 77 SLR5000 LX. Very genuine car, and guys, matching numbers, which is so important. Confirmed with the Holden historical report. It's got all three tags as well, which unfortunately is really rare these days, but good news, it's all three tags, original tags in the car with the matching number block. 4-speed, driving through the gears nicely here as we drive around Brisbane, getting plenty of looks as we should. And it was fully restored, guys, a little bit of an older resto a few years ago, but still presents in excellent condition, inside and out, and mechanically very good as well. So really good car, hard car to find in the market. You'll know that if anyone's already bidding on it, you'll know how hard these sort of matching number original examples are to find in today's market. So guys, get around it. It is a bloody ripper and one of the best SLR5000s going out there right now, restored. So there we have it, folks. Go to lloydsauctions.com.au, going under the hammer the 25th of October in our October Classic Car Auction. Great car. And folks, I will see you at the auction.